You searched how to buy shares of Intrum AB, and this video walks you through that process. Intrum AB is a European credit management company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker Intrum.ST. This is educational content and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account. Verification usually requires a government ID, and you'll also need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker Intrum.ST, then select the listing that matches Intrum AB to make sure you have the correct stock. Confirm the market shows CBOE EU to avoid the wrong listing. On the Intrum AB asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Take a moment to verify company name, ticker, and exchange. Make sure the page clearly indicates Intrum AB so you are on the right asset before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued as a market or limit order depending on your choice. If your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before it confirms the purchase. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can track it there. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below if you want to follow the same demonstration.